Struggling to find the perfect mini RC drift car that won't break the bank or your patience? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1. Joyspark Mini RC Drift Car. Let's kick things off with the Joyspark Mini RC Drift Car. Priced at just $29.99, this little beast caught my eye because of its compact 1:64 scale and impressive features. If you want an affordable option that gets you drifting right away, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this car is its 4WD capability paired with proportional throttle and steering. This means you can accelerate smoothly, drift with precision, and brake instantly, all crucial for those tight corners. The 2 speed modes, up to 15 kilometers per hour, let you switch between high-speed races and low-speed drifts, making it perfect for beginners who want to master their skills. Plus, it has LED lights for nighttime racing, adding an extra layer of fun. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 400 plus sold in the last month, it's already proven popular and effective for both kids and adults. Now, some reviewers mention that the car can be a bit sensitive to steer, which might frustrate some beginners. Here's the thing though, once you get used to the controls, it's actually a great way to learn how to drift effectively. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out or looking for a fun family activity. Skip this one if you're an advanced racer looking for high-end features. At $29.99, it's a fantastic value for the fun it delivers. Now, if the sensitivity of the Joyspark bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2. Volrusher 4WD Mini RC Drift Car. The Volrusher 4WD Mini RC Drift Car, priced at $49.99. What caught my attention here is its full-size precision control and such a compact design. If you're looking for a small drift car that feels like the real deal, this one deserves your attention. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz remote and plus or minus 60 degrees front wheel steering, you'll experience millimeter-level control, which is essential for indoor drifting in tight spaces. Plus, it has 3 speed settings, allowing you to start slow as a beginner and gradually increase the challenge. The high speed can reach up to 15 kilometers per hour, making it a versatile choice for anyone. This model also includes 2 tire sets and cones for a complete drifting experience. Here's why this matters for you. With over 100 units already sold, it's getting great feedback for its build quality and performance. However, some users reported that it can be tricky to charge because of the Type-C port placement. But honestly, once you're familiar with it, I found the charging speed quite efficient. Just 30 minutes for a full charge with over 25 minutes of drift time. This is perfect for you if you want a more professional feel while still being beginner-friendly. Skip this one if you're strictly looking for the cheapest option. For $49.99, it's a great investment for those serious about drifting. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for more advanced beginners. Product number 3. The Volrusher Gyro Mini RC Drift Car, which is priced at $59.99. The gyroscope feature really caught my eye here, as it stabilizes the car to help beginners avoid frustrating spins. If you want a fantastic way to start drifting without crashing every few seconds, this is worth considering. This 1/43rd scale model doesn't just look good, it performs amazingly well. With the integrated gyroscope, it retains 30% control feedback, which means even if you're not an expert, you can still enjoy smooth drifting. It also has 3 adjustable speeds, just like the previous model, and you'll enjoy around 30 minutes of fun after a quick 30-minute charge. This could be a game changer for beginners trying to master the art of drifting. But I'll be real with you, some users found the gyroscope a bit too sensitive, which might take getting used to. However, for most new drivers, this added stability is a huge plus, so I wouldn't let that deter you. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner who wants a smoother learning curve. Skip this one if you prefer a straightforward drifting experience without any high-tech features. At $59.99, it's a solid choice for those looking to hone their drifting skills without the crashes. If the gyroscope seems like overkill for you, the next one on my list has a simpler approach. Product number 4. The Volrusher Camouflage Mini RC Drift Car. We have another Volrusher option, the Camouflage Mini RC Drift Car, priced at $56.99. What I found interesting is how it combines style and performance in one package. If you're someone who likes a unique design while still getting high performance, this could be your pick. This car shares a lot of features with the previous Volrusher model, including the gyroscope and 3-speed options. It's designed for both beginners and pros, making it a great bridge for anyone looking to improve. With a robust ABS frame, it can withstand some serious drops, making it a durable option for indoor and outdoor fun. Some users have expressed that the camouflage design can be a bit hard to spot on certain surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you're racing in a familiar environment, this shouldn't be an issue, and it adds a unique flair to your collection. This is perfect for you if you value aesthetics as much as performance. Skip this one if you want a more traditional color scheme. At $56.99, it's a solid option that looks good while performing well. Now, if the design of the camouflage wasn't your style, the last car on my list might be a better fit. Product number 5, the Volrusher Blue Mini RC Drift Car, also priced at $49.99. This model stands out because it offers the same exceptional performance as the camouflage version, but with a more classic look. If you want reliability in a traditional style, you'll want to hear more about this one. Like its counterparts, this car features a 3-speed system, making it adaptable for different skill levels. With a racing-grade ABS frame, you can expect durability, even during intense driving. Plus, you'll benefit from LED lights that add to the fun, especially during nighttime races. However, I did notice a few reviewers mention that the battery life isn't quite as long as advertised during high-speed racing. But honestly, for a mini RC car, 25+ minutes of drift time is still impressive. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and fast car for indoor drifting. Skip this one if you're looking for something with extra features. At $49.99, it offers great value for the enjoyment it provides. Now, let's wrap up and compare all these options. To recap, we've got the Joyspark Mini RC Drift Car for budget-friendly fun, the Volrusher 4WD for precision control, the Gyro Mini for stabilization, the Camouflage Mini for style, and the Blue Mini for a classic touch. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Volrusher Gyro Mini RC Drift Car because it really gives beginners a chance to learn without frustration. I'd recommend avoiding the Joyspark if you're looking for more advanced features.